Hello dear students, in the last videos we have discussed theme, message, characters, introduction. Today I am going to summarize the story. So let's start the story. Margie and Tommy are students of future schools. Tommy finds an old book about schools in the attic. What do you mean by attic? Attic means space just below the roof to store things. The pages had turned yellow and crinkling. Because the book was very old, that's why the pages of the book turned into yellow and wrinkled. They are surprised to see the still words in the book as they were used to moving words. They are very astonished when they saw the book. Why they were astonished? Because they have never seen a book like this. Because they are used to about the computers and TV and mechanical teachers. They have never seen a book like this. Because the words on the pages are fixed. They do not move as they do on a screen. They are encompassed too. They thought the old book as a waste of resources and it was to be thrown after use. They thought that it was a waste book because after reading the book they have to throw. But that is not the truth. Comparatively, they thought telebooks lasted longer because they can go through the same books or videos again and again. Nobody will going to throw a computer or telebooks or tablet. But after reading a book, the student can throw them out and could contain many books together. On the same computer, they can have many e-books. But whenever we are keeping our books in our bag, we have to keep them limited. Margie hated school as her teacher gave her tests and she performed badly. Why she hated the school? 2-3 reasons are there. First of all, her marks in the test are very bad, continuously, especially in geography test. Second thing, she did not like the homework that she has to submit in the slot of the computer. And her mother assigned a particular time also where she has to study on the particular time, on particular day and particular place. That's why she did not like the school. Which school? The school, or we can say that the class she was taking at her home. Not our schools, like our schools, where you are studying at a particular place or building, in a particular classroom. Now Margie hated the slot. Why she hated, I already tell, because in a particular time period she has to submit the work, and at the same time she got the marks also from the work assigned to her for giving homework and test paper. Therefore, her mother called county inspector, who came with all his equipments to repair her mechanical teacher who was not functioning properly. As the mechanical teacher was not working properly, that's why her mother called a county inspector to repair the mechanical teacher. Margie was not happy as she thought that the county inspector would take her teacher for a few days. She could take rest. Like in the same case with Tommy, when his mechanical teacher was not working properly, at that time the county inspector took the mechanical teacher with him for a few days. Margie also thinking in the same way that the mechanical teacher will come and he will take county inspector will come and he will take her mechanical teacher with him for few days, and for those few days she can take rest. But that not happened in the same manner like in the Tommy case. The county inspector told her mother that Margie's bad performance in geography was due to faulty setting of her teacher. That it's not a fault of the child or Margie that she was getting less marks, because the mechanical teacher was very speed up, and that was not okay for a little girl. Now the county inspector has repaired him, and this information he told to the Margie's mother. Tommy later explained that centuries ago the schools had a man as a teacher who taught students different subjects and asked questions and gave homework also. Like in your classrooms, the teacher explained the topic. He can ask the questions also from you. You can also clear your doubts from the teachers. Then the teacher gives you homeworks also. But that was not case with Tommy and Margie. Tommy told her that the school was in a special building and students would go there, and children of the same age group studied same things. Like in your case, a particular building, a particular class is assigned to you where you can study with your classmates. Subject teachers comes to your class and take your classes. Margie could not believe men to be smart enough to have knowledge about different subjects. When she came to know about that the students were not taught by the mechanical teachers, they were taught by the human beings, she did not believe that. Because she thought that how can a human being is more knowledgeable than a computer? On the other hand, Margie's mother had told her that every child has to be taught according to his or her needs. Her mother also told about the earlier schools where each child get the information or knowledge from the teacher. He can solve the problems with the teacher or with the classmates. He can clear the doubts on the same time from the teacher. In this way, the mother also explained the schools to Margie. That all increased Margie's interest in reading more about the old funny schools. Now, these things created interest in Margie's mind, and she wanted to learn more about the old schools. Tommy and Margie attended the new school at a fixed time but at their own homes without any interaction between them. They both have to attend their schools or attend their class at their home. They have to take their class alone. Nobody will going to interact with them. Margie explained about the old school where kids had a lot of fun studying and playing together, but in old schools, the students can have fun because they are studying together, they are playing together, they are sharing their things, they care for each other, they become socialized. Computer screen of our teacher was flashing new chapter in arithmetic on the addition of the proper fraction. When she was imagining about the old school at that time, the computer screen was flashing questions of proper fractions additions. But Margie was still lost in the thoughts of old school. She still imagined about the old school, and she thought how they have fun at their school, which she missed now. That is the story. You will go through the chapter, and if any problem came, you will tell to me. Thank you.